Okay. I think we are live. Right. Where was I? Na, 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 na. Oh yeah, I remember now. I gotta put text on the display. Not sure if I want to do all of it myself. Writing text to display. Googly. Trying text. It's a YouTube video. Don't want to watch the video. But I could do, I just had an idea. I could get all the alphabet, just lowercase or uppercase, can't be bothered, and all the numbers, and I just store it in a buffer or an array. Let's just call it an array. Store it in an array, and I just send those bytes to the display. Yeah. Can I get text to bytes? Converting a string to bytes? No, because it'll print. No. That can't work. Can't just print a number. Get cat tag. No, not text. Cat alphabet bytes array. No, I think so, because my question's not clear. So I want the bytes that represent A as pixels. What do I call it? Let me ask Cloud. I want the representation of the letter A in pixels. Or, yeah. Hang on. You get a font. What is a font? Okay, let me ask Cloud first. In pixels. So that I can display it on the SSD6. Right. How's that an A? Can you give it to me? Give it, baby. Give it to me as a, what's the word? X array. T bro. I mean, see what this looks like. Write data. Yeah. Instead of that. Yeah, okay. Let's make this dot. See what that looks like. Sig build. There's my code here. Why is everything still 1? I do reset the display. What if I want the rest to be zeros? It should be zeros, right? SSD, write data. Right now it looks the same as before. What am I missing? Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Need 8 bytes to represent A. What am I missing? Think, let me check the right data. So yeah, and I set it all to 0. Then when I want to write data, and when I want to write, yeah, I write what I sent. Did build. Oh, There was a build error. Of course, there we go. That explains. Should have just checked my errors. Yeah, expected 512, found 8. Yeah, it's fair. Can I just make the rest zeros? Okay. What I'm gonna do is const A is 8 elements, and it's equal to this, and buffer is gonna be a variable. It'll be set to always forget that initialization. Sig. Excuse me. Arrays. Should be here somewhere. No, 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 no. Oh, I have it here. Okay, I was right. Empty, and then I'll go 0 to a.len, go index, and buff of I is equal to a of I. That should work. Yeah. Let's try again. Okay, now it's all black. Oh no, it's not. There's something at the bottom of the display. I mean, I can barely see it. Doesn't look like an A though. Oh, maybe kinda. But it's also at the bottom of the page, which is kinda strange. Why is it at the bottom? Let me print a few of those. So I'll go buff of len. Buff of I is a of I mod 8. Technically it should be everywhere. That was a better idea. Oh, it is A. But it's... Hey, that's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it, but... I don't know what you're seeing. I may... Yeah. It's A, but it's like... It's vertical. It's gotta turn it 90 degrees. Hey, that's cool. That was easier than I thought it would be. It's not very flexible, but don't care. Works. So how can I turn this 90 degrees? I just ask Cloud. Can you turn it 90 degrees? Degrees to the left. What would that look like? Yeah. That's kind of interesting though. Oops, I deleted everything. Why is it deleting everything? Okay, see what that looks like. It's very tiny. But at least it's an A. It's visible. Yeah, I like it. Build for now that looks like an R. Okay. See if I can turn it myself. So this is the old one. How can I turn this 90 degrees? Is there a website where I can get this for all the characters? Let's have a look at this one. What is SSD? Yeah, here. Guessing C source. I look for SSD1306. There we go. Yeah. 8x8. Hey, that's cool. Does he have font? What are the other ones? Adafruit. Yeah, this is the... This is from... What's it called? The same place where I found the data sheet. Commit to... No, just one text. Draw X bitmap. Fonts folder. There we go. That a fonts folder? That is. I'll just take... What is 12 point? Okay. Don't think... What's the smallest one they have? Oh, they have 9. Let's try... Okay, fuck it. Let's try the first one. It's like the alphabet. Glyphs. Oh, here. What is this? Bitmaps. Okay. So this is A. Y minus 13. This looks very different from my A. Might actually be better to store them as numbers. Make it smaller. $984. See if I can find 7C847C. So 7C. No. What does this mean? Hang on, so 65. What is the small a? No, it's not ASCII. Is it? No. Let's have a look at another one. Glyph 7. 7 byte glyphs. 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Bitmaps. Let's have a look at another. Maybe see if they have font. Have fonts. Tools. Font. What is all of this? Streamline. What is TTF? View raw. Oh, no. That array. What kind of file is this? PDF. Never seen that before. Okay. This is the bitmap for. Let's have a look. See what it is. How many is it? It's more than 8 though. Start is 49. Tell you what. This is what I want. I just want it to turn 90 degrees. Also, I just realized it's printing it at the end of the page. Okay. How can I turn this? Let's have a look. See, this is not correct at all. This prints A vertically. Can you instead provide a font bitmaps? Okay. How do I get it? I want to try something silly. What happens if I copy that? Oh, it just prints A. That is A. I don't know what that is. It's not a byte, so it's too big. 12.7b glyphs. Is that an example? examples. TFX. Serial. Have a look at this one. What's this? TFT. What is TFT? TFT. Oh, you mean the display? Yeah. Okay, let's go back. What are the other ones? LCD assistant. Let's have a look at LCD assistant. Survey. What's this? Angry Marmot. Angry Marmot doesn't work. Where did you get this from? Where did you get this info from? That's what I want. Is it because it gets printed vertically? Damn. For a second I was like, okay, getting somewhere. And then no. See if I can get this turned. And this prints A, but vertically. Would like it did horizontally instead. Yeah, but it changes. I guess it would be different. Let's try. I'm skeptical. Let's give it a try. Now it prints an ugly A, but now it prints it this way. Is this Unifont upper? Info. Oh. What is PDF map? Japanese. PDF. 4x6. Three, 4, 5, 6. Let's try this bitmap, see what it looks like. Damn, what kind of formatting is that? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put say 8. Shoot in the dark at this point. Oops, sorry. There we go. Okay. What is that? It's a lot of dots. No, that's not it. What character is it? Start character 0. Oh. This is space. Exclamation. Find A. Comma. Period. Slash 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, colon, semicolon, question at A. Damn, this formatting is a lot of work. Okay. This, yeah. Let's leave this empty. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't know what that does really at this point. That is A, but again, it's the vertical A. How do I get it this way? That's pretty cool. It's tiny. I don't know if you want to see it. Don't know if it's even visible. Okay, how about that? Is it because it's tiny, super tiny? It's like smaller than the last one. How can I turn this around? Okay, so this is a vertical A. I wonder if it's because, hang on, first. Coding 65. S width. Is that a bigger one? Why did I find it? What's it called? 4x6, okay. See if I can get a bigger one. 6x10. That sounds decent. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 of them would represent A. That's fine. Let's do. Damn. Okay. Okay. What do you mean unable to infer? Infer. Where's arrays? Isn't that what I'm... Isn't... Oh. Okay. That's why. You just remove the dot. Okay. Fair enough. Should be a of some sort. And then I mod a.lang. That should at least print, excuse me, bigger A's. Still oriented the wrong way, but damn, that's not A. Oh, because I didn't... Silly me. Where is it? Yeah, did the same mistake last time. Where's A? Hyphen slash 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 4 greater A. Quite annoying to have to do this every time. Is there another way? Yeah, I can do... I think I can do a capture. No. Okay, fuck it. Do it manually one more time. Go. 9. Commas. Okay. That should be at least a few ways. So we had some of them get chopped off from the beginning. Okay. I have big arrays. And this one might be more visible. Not really sure if it is. What I'm noticing is the A's get chopped off, and I don't know what's considered like 0, 0. Yeah, I'll save this bit. I'll need that later. Don't need that. Thing. Renting bitmap to SSD1306. Battery. Round in circles, blah blah blah, thermal imaging. Please help. What are you trying to do? How to display bitmaps, okay. Library draw an Adafruit bitmap on the OLED. You can use the same code. Always end up generating 32. I replace blah 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 20 lines, and then it produces slightly fudged version. What's here? Create byte arrays from monochrome images using... No, not what I'm looking for. Made a simple web-based converter. No. Image to CPP. Can it do text? Okay. The images are loaded. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so this is the problem that I have right now. What I'm looking for. Let me check the data sheet. There was something about printing columns first. I did think this would be a pain in the ass. Okay. Code. No. Excuse me. Decoder. No. Segment drivers. It's a bit cold today. Well, on off sequence. Can I memory addressing? Oh yeah, there was a table explaining this here. See, it prints it this way. So right now it's set to 0, 0, horizontal addressing. What if I changed it to vertical? Let's try. Can't hurt. Excuse me. So, here. Is that it? Hang on. Vertical addressing. This is very useful. The command table. Here. Page. Start addressing. No. Here. Page addressing. Vertical addressing is 0, 1. Come on, page address. What was 3 for? Damn, I should have left some comments here. I have no idea what this is. Set column address, set memory addressing mode. Okay, let's try this for now and then come back to that. Still prints it the same way. Maybe I'm not reading it right. Did it build? Yeah, I did. Page ad. Oh, hunk. Oh, hunk. Fuck. That was the page address. Sorry. This one. Let me just read it again. So you set memory addressing. And then what's the 7 for? Right. So that's command for column address. Then you set the command. What's this for? 7F. What the fuck is that? Okay. Again. Problem for later. Okay. Build. Now it's the same. Plus, I want the P code tool. Tired of like plugging it and unplugging it again. Pico tool. Environment, sure. Sign in and hash in. Don't care about that right now. You also need libusb. Okay. CMake. CMake. Make. What if I'm not using CMake? Linux / macOS. But it omits the option that deal with managing a Pico via USB. Hang on. Go back to Android. Was it Android? Code tool, yeah. Okay. So I can use it that way. Yep. Go. And is that it? Which Pico tool? Yeah, that's what I figured. Building. Set Pico SDK path in the environment. Do I have to build it myself? Yeah, it's not installed because I haven't installed it yet. Build essential. Yeah, it's just the dependencies. Maybe let's try this first. Do I have to like clone it? Submodule in the SDK is checked out. This can be done by running. You need to set Pico SDK path in the environment or make it or pass it to CMake with that. Installing Pico tool. Yeah. Execute CMake from the build directory. Pico tool. try this one. Usage by the Raspberry Pi Pico SDK. Version 2 and above uses Pico tool to the blah blah blah. I don't need that conversion. If you have multiple projects to build, copy of Pico tool locally, make install using sudo. Seems like I might have to build it manually, which I really don't want to. Is there like a binary? No. Releases. GZ. Okay, let's try that. Think I have installed the GZ. Is GZ or XZ? Always get confused. Dev installation. Oh no, not source. Okay, yeah, that's what I figured. XZF. Downloads. Yep. Then tar XZF. And what else? Okay, and then Pico tool. Oh fuck. Just did it here. There, Pico boot. Install. Yeah. Delete all. Yeah. Better figure that out later because it's not quite straightforward. I mean, it's pretty handy. Okay, I'll get to that later. Okay. Column page address. So that didn't really do anything. It didn't do what I thought it would do. It's probably because I don't know what this is. Column command address. Anyone here? Range and address range. Command addressing mode. Mount addressing mode. Actually, yeah, that's the one I want to set. Column address, page address. Here, oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, now I get it. It's 7F is 120F. Oh, sorry. Save build. Okay, I have a good feeling about this one. Let's go. And oh, no, that didn't work at all. That just made it worse. Looks like a whole lot of garbage. Okay, let's switch this back. It is, yeah, I mean, that does make sense because we are printing stuff this way. It's just that the stuff that I'm printing is fucking not facing the right way. But then it's me. I'm missing something. To be fair though, I'm quite happy with, at least I've got the character. How do I change the orientation? I don't know. I think, okay. Let me have a look at the output again. Let's get the A back. Might have to like try and figure out a better way to do it. So close, yet so far. It's curious. What if I printed it the opposite way? I mean, let's try to orient it the other way around. Can I do that? So print it in the opposite order. Okay, I mean, there's a simple way. Just go a dot len dot j, then j. Yeah. How do you go the other way in Zig? Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So no, that won't work because so 0 needs to become 7 and 7 needs to become 0. Okay. I'm gonna try and figure this out tomorrow. I'm gonna call it today. Happy with A. Gotta figure out the orientation tomorrow. It's doing something wrong. I don't know this is the right approach. I'll try to do some research and be a bit more prepared for tomorrow. Yesterday was Sunday, so I was a bit lazy. Alright. Alright, have a good Monday. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.